The very first thing you're going to need to do is if you do not have the MetroLink app, you will need to get it. Once you open up the app, you can actually see we're going to want to set up our account on this page like so. You can skip all of this and you can actually see there's an option to buy tickets right here, just clicking on this button. Once you click on this, you can actually search for the station where you actually want to start, your origin station, where you're actually going to get on the train, and then you can actually pick the location that you want to get off the train. Once doing that, you can actually see the ticket fares and the type of passes that you want to buy. Now, if you want a one-way ticket or a 5-day pass or just a single ticket down here or just multiple tickets, buying multiple tickets at once for multiple people, you can also do that on this page. But all you're going to need to do to buy a ticket is you simply click on the one that you are. If you're a senior student, you can get those discounts on this page. Or if you're getting a regular adult, you basically want to click on agree. And then you want to put in your email and password or create an account if you don't have one so you can successfully buy a ticket. Once you have created an account just using your email and name, you can actually see we can check out right here. You can actually just buy this with Apple Pay or add a card to this app right here if you would like to do so. And you can basically just click on confirm to pay at the bottom of the screen once you are ready to pay, or you can split it here if you want to pay with multiple people. Then you will get an email receipt displaying your purchase actually went through. And on the home screen, you can actually go to your ticket wallet right here, and you can actually view all of your tickets that are in use or tickets you've used in the past. And if you don't have any, you can also buy tickets in the ticket wallet. And if you do want to view the schedule, you can basically just click on the schedule right here, and it'll take you to the MetroLink trains website where you can actually view the schedule for all future and present trains departing at the moment. And it's all you need to do to use this app to buy tickets. You kind of need the app. There's no other way around it, unfortunately. There's no website, but so yeah, just get the app, and it's really, really easy to use once you actually are on it.